May nagpadala sa amin guys ng pagkain. Sa trabaho ni Travis. Hi
That's how you
guys.
know they have a lot of money.
What?
She just left in a Rivian.
Really?
Yeah, it's a $85,000 vehicle.
May nagpadala sa amin guys ng pagkain. Sa trabaho ni Travis. Where is she?
They left. She left already.
Aww.
She said she's just gonna drop it. She left piano.
The what?
They gave us some sweet baby Ray's barbecue sauce.
Ayan o.
Cookies. And then this is fresh. He made this last night.
Really?
Yeah.
Wait lang, open natin yung light. I asked Travis why they gave us the food.
Probably just
Yeah.
know that having baby can be difficult. So they stopped. They made some food for us.
Yeah.
Some pulled
We
pork.
didn't even have the chance to thank her because
Yeah, she's
yeah.
probably stopping by and getting the kids and stuff.
yeah.
So that's cool.
That's nice
really
of them.
I'll try one. You can't have these because you're breastfeeding, so
No, I can now.
I'll try one for us.
Ang bait naman nila. Tapos merong
Mmm.
is it good?
Mhm.
Let's try. Mmm. Tulog si Elipot, guys. Tulog. Pagod siya sa Pagod siya kakaiyak kanina. Kasi pag every time she push, right, she's crying. Like,
Yeah, she's like.
and then after she poops, she will be quiet.
It probably hurts. You know, like.
Oh, yeah. Are you watching your baby sister? Where's your baby sister? Where's your baby sister? This is not for you. Where's your baby sister?
You're a big girl.
Mm-hmm.
You're a big girl, aren't you?
She's big now.
Aren't you?
Mm-hmm.
Oh my God.
Oh, look at you. So, nakakatawa, no, yung may mga ganong tao. Tapos, tinanong ko si Travis noon, sabi ko, bakit magbibigay sila ng food, ganyan, magdadrop daw ng food dito. Hindi na nga namin siya na-meet kasi parang nagmamadali din siya. Pero tinext niya si Travis na idadrop niya na lang daw yung pagkain sa pinto. Tapos yun, hindi rin namin sila super close, pero katrabaho siya ni Travis. And sabi ni Travis, ganun lang daw talaga sila take care of each other, ganun daw. 'Di ba?
Mhm.
Ganun lang daw talaga sila yung turingan nila sa work, ganyan. Pag may pag may bagong panganak, ganyan. Nakakatuwa. Wala lang, natutuwa lang ako kasi may mga ganun pala dito. So, kasi 'di ba sa Pilipinas, ganun din. May mga kamag-anak tayo, pamilya na pupunta sa bahay, tapos yung dadalan ka ng pagkain, paglulutuan ka, tapos meron din pala ditong ganun. Although hindi siya parang madalas na ginagawa ng iba, pero may mga iba pa rin pala talagang ganun, no? Kasi although kahit hindi namin sila super kilala, hindi ko pa nga siya na-meet, and hindi ko rin tawag nito, hindi ko na-meet yung asawa niya. So, yung asawa niya dito yung nagpadala yung wife. Tapos, yung katrabaho ni Travis is yung asawa niya lalaki. Tapos, tinext lang si Travis na pupunta daw dito yung niya, asawa niya. Tapos, ipapadala daw yung pagkain, unting pagkain. Nakakatuwa. So, yun. Nagulat na lang kami pag ano ko ng pinto, sabi na, kasi may sa doorbell, merong nag-notify sa sa doorbell namin, ay sa camera namin na merong tao sa ano. Tapos sabi ko kay Travis, "Wala, may tao, baka yun na yung ano." Tapos pag open namin ng ano, wala na, nakaalis na siya. Sumaglit lang talaga siya. Oh, gising na siya, guys. Kahit anong swaddle namin, nakakaano talaga yung kamay niya, oh, nakakalusot. You're awake now. Hello. And time for Dodo. Oy, nag-apupo na naman. Pag ganyan itsura niya, nagpupush yan siya. Nagpupupo na naman. Okay, we'll try their food, guys. Smells good.
Try the ano.
Dawa.
Try it.
Try it muna.
Try.
So, meron siyang pork, tapos, ano yan? Coleslaw?
Try it now.
Ayan. Ang sarap niya, guys. Grabe, nakalibre kami ng pagkain ngayon. Hindi pa namin naubos yung curry. We still have a lot of curry. Initin ko muna yung ano, kape. Di ba pwede naman kahit hindi decaf? Kahit hindi decaf sa ano, nagbe-breastfeed? Babe, right?
Huh?
Is it okay? I think it's okay to drink non-decaf coffee if you're
Yeah.
breastfeeding, right?
Non-decaf, yeah.
I mean,
decaf, yeah.
no, I mean it's okay to drink a non-decaf coffee, right? If you're breastfeeding.
You can, but caffeine will disrupt the baby's sleep.
Really?
Dangerous for your breastfeeding. That's why they don't recommend caffeine a lot while you're breastfeeding, because you have a coronary baby.
Kasi, uminom ako ng non-decaf coffee. Siguro last time, sabi ni Travis, mas maigi daw yung decaf na lang daw inumin ko. Para mas better. Kasi may mga kape pa kami dito, yung galing sa Starbucks nung nag-work ako. Nandito pa siya. So, naubos lang namin. Pero, wala kaming decaf na coffee. So, bumili kami nun sa Target. Gutom ako. Grabe, pag nagpapaano ka pala, no, papadede ka, panay kakain. Yung parang panay ka, ano, yung gusto mo kumain tapos inom ng tubig. Pero, hindi naman ako nadadagdagan ng timbang. Kasi, pag nagtitimbang ako after kumain, siguro mga onti lang, mga 2 pounds, ganun. Tapos, matutunaw ulit. Kinabukasan, bawas na naman ng timbang. Diba? Kasi ganun talaga, kailangan mong kumain kasi nga nagpapadede ka para na rin sa anak mo, diba? Ninit yung kape namin. Nanonood kami nitong, guys, Malcolm. Nakakatawa siya. And, si Ellie tulog pa din. Tulog na naman siya. Oh, I didn't finish my, folding her clothes, babe. Say hi. Pogi naman to.
Oh, your ano's leaking through your ano.
Really? Liar.
Oh, maybe not.
No, it's
It looked
just
like it was.
Yeah. Yung gatas ko daw.
I was like, oh man.
Manonood muna kami nito, guys. Ayun lang ang vlog natin for today. Thank you so much for watching. Say bye, babe.
See you later.
Oh, see you later.